rainbow-colored food, or square-shaped food? Stretchy arms or rocket legs? Giant hamster or giant duck? Sneeze glitter or yawn confetti? Cheesehead or jelly belly? Teleport on sneeze or switch voices on blink? Puppet ears or chameleon eyes? Spaghetti fingers or popcorn nose? Roar like a lion or hiss like a snake? Pancake clothes or chocolate shoes? Popcorn nose or jelly belly? What kind of madness was that? Which one would you actually try? Tell us in the comments and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next round of BrainyPopz fun.